Why do over 70% of developers choose Python? Let's dive into why this language is shaping the future of tech. Python's versatility and simplicity have made it the go-to language for industries across the board. From AI and data science to web development and automation, Python is everywhere. Python's popularity continues to rise, with over 70% of developers now using it. Learning Python today is investing in a skill that's only becoming more essential. Python isn't just a tool, it's a career accelerator. With companies worldwide seeking Python developers, mastering this language can open doors to high-paying, in-demand roles. One of Python's greatest strengths is its simplicity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, Python is accessible and backed by a vibrant community ready to help. As technology advances, Python remains at the cutting edge. Learning Python in 2024 means you're not just keeping up with the present, you're preparing for the future. Don't wait. Start learning Python today and be part of the future.